stillness of the night, my dear. Whispered secrets only hearts can hear. Beneath the moon's soft silver light, two souls unite in the hush of night.
Your touch, as gentle as a summer breeze, melts away the world's unease. In this quiet moment, skin to skin, we find the strength to let love in.
So let the midnight silence sing our tender hearts in a gentle swing. In vulnerability we find our grace, holding on in this sacred space. Every breath you take, a sigh so sweet. The rhythm of our love complete. And in this fragile, fleeting time we share, all that matters is we're both here.
Let the world fade to a distant blur.
Here and now it's just me and her in the stillness. Love takes flight, growing stronger in the night.